Hello folks, thought I'd do a little walk around video of the 71 Matador. I wish that said 401, but 304. As you can see, it's a time capsule. Hasn't been messed with very much. The only thing that's a little suspicious is the alternator. I don't think that's factory over there. We'll get around to that side, but everything looks good. There's not a lot of rust, a little surface rust under the hood. Very little, mostly dirt falls when you shake it. It does have a 72 grill. I'm learning as I go. It's my first AMC I've had. Well, actually it's my second. I forgot I had a Japan years ago. Yeah, that alternator, I don't believe that's right. Let me see here. Once I get off the trailer, this brakes froze, so I gotta work on that. Just don't feel like messing with that on a Sunday afternoon. Somebody has changed out the driver's seat, and this piece here is busted. Headliner looks to be doable, in great shape. I've been looking at the floors. Floors appear to be, somebody's pulled the carpet up. Floors appear to be solid in the car. Rockers are solid. Pretty neat. Got a little rot in these lower quarters. That's not hard to patch. Trunk lid same way. Got a little spot there of rust. A little bit here. My body guy can handle all that. Definitely got rust in the trunk. He's got a chemical he puts in there and neutralizes that. He's an old aircraft guy. He knows about that stuff. Looks pretty good other than, like I said, the lower quarters on that side. There's a hole right there. There's nothing hidden under here. It's all solid. It's solid trunk. Right over here we got some issues. Again, my body guy's got a roller and beads and all. He can make that panel pretty easy. The gutters look good. It's amazing they look good, but they do. And the roll pan, or gravel pan. We got a dent right here. Not a big deal. We can fix that pretty easy. This door here looks good. Another one little spot there. And y'all were asking about the build date. I'm assuming that's the build date. The car was originally burgundy, and somebody's painted it red with a white top. Same thing. The floors on this side look good and solid. They feel good and solid. I shouldn't say they look good and solid, but they feel good. I hate to change out the seat, but it did. A little cloudiness around the edge of the glass. Seen worse. 91,000 miles on the odometer, maybe 191, who knows. At this point, I don't guess that matters. It needs a full restoration. Anyhow, there you go. That's the walk around.